So, I'm making an experiment today. I lay in bed thinking about experimental things such as trying things with white beans. I've made a white bean mash. I've used white beans instead of potato to make a stuffing, and they always worked out really well. So I thought, well, what if I could do that with pancakes? So I did a bit of Googling, and people have tried it, and this is my idea. So in here I've got a tin of cannelloni beans drained and washed, a banana, fresh ginger, what else have I got in there? Some vanilla essence, a teaspoon, 2 eggs, the banana, as I said. What else have I got in there? Oh yeah, I've got some xylitol brown sugar, that's in there too. So I'm just going to whiz all that up and see what the batter comes out like. So there you go, there's my batter. It looks really, really hopeful, doesn't it? So get my pan on the heat and I'm going to pop a little bit in and see what happens. Now if this is successful, I think it could be adaptable to many things. Cakes, waffles. So talking about cakes, I've taken 2 ladles, popped it in a bowl and added a teaspoon of homemade applesauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now that's going into my little tin here, and the oven's on at 180, and with a bit of luck that might be an experimental successful white bean muffin. We'll wait and see. Okay, so there it is, that's the first one. It's coming out okay. I'm going to flip it over. Very similar to a banana pancake. Oh, there is a banana in it. Oh, I broke it as I turned it over. Never mind. So there it is. You can see the texture there inside. Yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah, I'm going to carry on making them. I think that's a bit of a success. Another experiment to take forward, I believe. So that's the second one cooking. Cooking nicely, I might add. And I'm serving that as a side with cranberries. I'm so glad I bought some when they were in season, popped them in the freezer. And an eating apple, lemon juice, water and cinnamon, and a teaspoon of sweetener in there because I like it. And there we go, that's cooking, that's going to go on the side. So, I'm going to finish those off and plate up and tuck in. So, there is my plated up scrumptious food, apple and cranberry. Little bit of Greek yogurt. I've used a teaspoon of poppy seeds because I absolutely love them. And there's my pancakes, all plated up with some of the homemade apple puree. And I'm having a go making a slightly bigger one with the same recipe. And it does seem to cook a bit better, flatter. It's quite interesting, the different thicknesses. And I just popped it in and just kept moving it around, and like you do with batter, until it went thin. So there you are. That's what I'm eating, and the cake's cooking in the oven as well. And this one's a little side experiment. So there you are. There's the cake, and I've tested and it's come out clean. I did sprinkle over a few poppy seeds before it went into the oven, which was set at 180, and it's been in for just over 15 minutes. Quite happy with that. I'm going to wait for it to cool down and then take it out, and I'll have that maybe for a snack this evening or for my pudding. Not decided yet.